This apartment is located at Midtown West, Manhattan, New York. The area of this studio apartment is 28 square meters. The client is very practical towards space used. Hence, the design concept of this apartment is weighing towards a holistic approach on practicality and functionality. The existing space is very cluttered and very impractical. There are also several concrete partitions, and we took them out to clear out the space. We positioned the bed towards the inner part of the apartment and living kitchen and dining close to the windows. This interior space emphasizes on the simplicity of the rectangular space. I've taken advantage of the long walls for storages, clothing wardrobe and display shelvings. I am also introducing two transformable furniture in this apartment, the foldable dining table and the sofa that can be transformed into a single bed. When entering, we are welcomed by a hanger for keys and continues to the kitchen, and after that, dining and the living. This dining table is beautifully handmade, so to be able to transform into the required size. And the display cabinet for displaying memorable items, and there is also the sofa that's transformable into a single bed. The special feature for this space is the top and bottom LED light that goes around the space. This to subconsciously enlarge the space, and the usage of one type of wood material all through the cabinets. This too creates a holistic approach towards the structure in the space. The TV position is facing the sofa for convenience of the users. The client specially requested the bedroom to be enclosed. Hence, I've created a glass sliding door so that the sun will still be able to shine through when enclosed. The back of the bed too is created to function as a bedside table, and the wash light creating a beautiful ambient light in this area. Hence, there is no direct light on the ceiling required. The space under the bed is utilized for shoe cabinets, whereas the top are just fake cabinet doors to complete the design. In the bathroom, I've removed the bathtub so to utilize the space for washer-dryer. The materials used are glossy white subway tiles arranged in herringbone direction for the walls. This is to maximize the light bounce in the space. And white Volocast marbles for the floor materials to enlarge the space. Thank you for watching this chapter of Small Spacious. If you want to watch more of this type of content, please subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you won't miss the next new chapter of Small Spacious videos.